Don't get too aggressive, guys.
Oh, we should get out of their way. They don't look very happy. Everyone loves a good puppy fight. This guy here is not very afraid of us. He keeps coming down, but his sibling does not like the idea of coming near us.